My name is Saul, and I'm going to be talking about candy bracelets today. So by a show of hands, how many people know what EDM is? Well, for those of you who don't know, EDM stands for electric dance music. And at large festivals like EDC and Hard Summer, they're called raves, many people are seen wearing candy bracelets. And this right here is a candy bracelet. It's basically a bracelet made out of different types of beads that help represent the person wearing them. And through the years, I've had the chance to attend many different music festivals and had the chance to trade and share and make memories with people at these festivals. By showing you guys exactly how the candy bracelet represents, what it represents, you guys are gonna have a better understanding of the rave culture itself. And so by the end of the speech, you guys are gonna be informed about the rave culture itself, and I'm also gonna talk about how I identify with the culture. So, in the rave culture, the bracelet is used for two main things. The first is for self-expression, and the second reason is to trade with others. So, for self-expression, when people go about making these bracelets, we typically try to pick out things that identify with yourself, like favorite color or like words that best describe you, I guess. Like for me, this one says respect, because respect is a big thing for me. I put it in a bracelet, and like red and blue are both my favorite colors, so you know, this kind of represents little parts about me. And it inspires creativity, because when you go about making them, you don't just want to make like some simple thing. You know, you want to typically make yourself stand out when you attend these festivals. And each one, there's different sizes, or they come in different varieties. They're not limited to just bracelets. Like they come in, you can make cuffs out of them. You can make belts and like headbands, whatever you want. And yeah, you basically, whatever favorite color you want of beads, or you know, words that express the person you are, that's how you go about making them. And the second way that it is used in the rave culture is to share with other people. So when you attend these events, many people are seen wearing these bracelets. And when, let's say you meet someone new and you go hang out with them, like by mutual friends or whatever, there's a handshake that you do when you go about trading with them. And that's basically how it is used in the rave culture. So now that I have talked about how you go about making them and how they express you, and also how you use them in the rave culture, I'm going to talk about how I identify with it. So back around high school, I started listening to EDM, and back then it wasn't as mainstream as it is now, but it was different. And that my neighbor would attend these festivals. And he took me to my first one when I was 16. And you know, after I went to that one, that's when I really started getting into like the whole partying and stuff. And you know, I like the atmosphere that it brought. It's supposed to promote people like an accepting environment, non-judgmental. And you know, everyone is just kind of happy and coming together for like listening to the same type of music. And the rave culture tries to represent peace, love, unity, and respect. So in an environment where people, you know, are accepting of one another, you typically try to make friends as much as you can, and then that's where the bracelet comes in. Like I said before, you take the bracelet, and you know, that's how you meet new people and make new friends. So in conclusion, the candy bracelet helps represent peace, love, unity, and respect within the rave culture. And I talked about how I identify myself with the rave culture. And, you know, raving is not just excuse to party. It actually has a deeper meaning, which is peace, love, unity, and respect. Thank you.